Hello, this video is going to show you how to work Google Slides so you can do your All About Me student slide. Just a reminder to be checking the directions and the requirements for the slide. You need to make sure you have at least 2 different types of fonts. The font size needs to be big enough to read, which is about 18 or higher. You need to have at least 1 picture. You need to include 1 goal for this year. It may be a personal goal or an academic goal. You need to have 3 interesting things about yourself, and be sure to add color and creativity to your slide. So to begin with, to change the background of your slide, if you click background, you can change the color to just a solid color, or you can choose an image off of your computer. Then to insert a text box where you can type, you would hit this little T, and if you hover over the T, it will also show up what the icon means. And you would just click and drag your text box into whatever shape you would like, and you may type. To change the font, if you highlight your text and go up to this box where it has the word Arial typed in it, you may choose from any of the fonts that are included. To increase the size of the font, you can go up to this right next to where the font name is, the number and the plus and minus sign. The plus will make it bigger, the minus will make it smaller. You can also click the number and click a size that you would like. To change the color of your font, you would go to the A with the black underneath it, and you can change it to whichever color you would like. If you wanted to highlight it, you can hit the button right next to the text color, and it kind of looks like a pen or a highlighter, and you can highlight it. To insert a shape, you would go over to, you could do 2 things. You could go over to insert and then hover over shape to see all the different shapes that they have, or you can simply push the little circle and rectangular button and it will also bring up the shapes. Once you have a shape that you can click and drag, change the size of it. You can change the fill or the color of the shape by going over here to this bucket, and it says fill color. That would be the inside of the shape, and then the line that outlines the shape is right next to that fill bucket. You can also change the width of that line too. Right next to the border color, the little pen, it's got the different lines on top of each other. It's called border weight. And you can change the line around the shape to make it thicker or smaller. You can also insert a picture by hitting insert image, and you have a few options. You can upload a picture from your computer, or you can click search the web, and over on the side you can search for a picture. To insert the picture that you search for, simply just click the picture you want and hit insert. You can change the size of the picture by on the side, any of the sides, it will change into an arrow, and you can just click and drag it to the size that you would like. One important tool to also know about is the undo button. That's super helpful. So let's say that I make a mistake that I want to undo the last thing that I just did, and I hit this unbutton, this back button, and it will take it away. Your Google slide will automatically save. You don't have to turn it in anywhere, and if you start your slide and don't finish it, you may get back into it by opening up a new internet page, clicking the icons, kind of similar to how you would get into Classroom. Click Slides, and then it will show up right in your recent slides. Hopefully this covers everything that you would like to do with your slide. If there's anything else you need, feel free to email me or dojo me.